We have a 2014 Mazda 6. It's acting crazy a little bit. It's actually a lot. The RPM is going up and down. It has a code for P0171. System 2 lean bank 1. It is a 4-cylinder. It has only one bank. So let's see what the problem is. Actually, when there is a P0171 code, system 2 lean, it's either a vacuum leak or the mass airflow sensor problem. So to check for vacuum leaks, we're going to spray some carb cleaner on the intake area. Let's see if it changes the engine. It doesn't change anything. So the next step would be to unplug the mass airflow sensor. Let me unplug the mass airflow sensor. Okay, when you unplug the mass airflow sensor, the engine became normal. So the problem is our mass airflow sensor. It's easier to check with the vacuum leak. It also could be the system 2 lean bank 1, could be the fuel problem, fuel line problem, the fuel pump, anything. To check the vacuum leak or the mass airflow sensor, it's easier. And we found the problem. It's the mass airflow sensor. We're gonna replace the mass airflow sensor and then we're good to go. Thank you.